How to find downloaded video on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you find all downloaded videos on your iPhone on YouTube. So let's get started. First, as you have to open YouTube application on your iPhone. After you open YouTube, you'll get this kind of interface. From your at the bottom right, tap on your profile icon. Now from your profile section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option downloads. After you tap on that, you'll be able to see all of your downloaded video from your YouTube account. If you not find it, make sure you are signed in with the same account you used to download. Download may expire if your device will not be connected to the internet in 30 days. You can also manage that download setting. And that's it. This is the method to find downloaded video on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.